your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys read by the title, today I am back with some more cleaning motivation. Guys, I am first going to start off with doing my dishes. I usually rinse them off and put them in the dishwasher, but today I am going to hand wash them. Every now and then I'll hand wash them, but today I definitely have to hand wash them because my dishwasher is kind of, I don't know what it's doing. I had this thing here goes at the top of my dishwasher. There's one at the top and one at the bottom, but somehow this came off. I popped the one on at the bottom. Usually it pops right on, but this one at the top, I can't figure out how to pop it back on to the top just yet. So I want to hand wash it. And then also I just feel like when I hand wash them, it gets a lot more cleaner rather than put them in the dishwasher. So we're gonna start with that, and then I'll get the other tasks done. If you are tuned in, I hope this motivates you to get some things done around your home that you have been putting off or that you just have been procrastinating about doing. And we're gonna go ahead and get these tasks done. And excuse me, I got like a little wet spot on my shirt already from preparing my dishwater, but I just used dish detergent, and I poured a little bit of Clorox in there to like kill bacteria and stuff like that. And we're gonna get right into washing these dishes. This is my little dishwater here, guys. So I like that I have a double sink because I can wash on this side and then put the clean ones on that side and rinse them. But this is my damage here. These are the dishes that I have to wash right now. And then I have some on this side as well that I have to bring over. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything clean.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Alright guys, so I got all of the dishes washed and clean. Now I just have to
Okay guys, so my daughter actually wanted to help me out with putting the dishes away, so I went ahead and let her help me. So she's actually putting the dishes away for me, and I am going to go ahead and get my counters cleaned off. So that's what you guys will see me doing in the next couple of clips.
Your smile.
Alright guys, so now that I've got my dishes clean and my kitchen is freshened up from the dishes, my other favorite way to freshen up my kitchen is to go ahead and diffuse my favorite essential oils here. The ones that I've loved the most is this lemongrass one and this lemon one. So I just basically add water to my diffuser if it needs it. This is my diffuser here. So it already has water in it. I'll go ahead and pour this water out and add some plain water in there. Just going to pour my essential oils in. For each of these, you only need about maybe 3
3 to 4 drops, but I always like to just add a little bit more just because I have a big kitchen and I want the scents to really spread around the kitchen. So I am going to do that. And then also, guys, if you have any like fruit flies or flies, because I know it is like warm weather, and you know, like we're opening and closing our doors a little bit more because we're outside more, and like little bugs sneak their way in. So diffusing like lemon essential oil and lemongrass and like tea tree and stuff like that, it also will kill the little bugs in the air as well. So that's why I like to diffuse whenever I'm freshening up the air as well. Guys, so we got it in there. I don't know if y'all can actually see the little mist shooting up out of there, but I've got it on, and it also changes colors as well. So right now it's on like this little purple and lavender color. And then if you guys could see all the way over there, here is where I keep all of my essential oils and things, just back there. If I just need to add more or restart it. Next task is to vacuum my living room area. I don't have much rug in my house, but just the little rugs that I put down. We have rugs in our bedroom, and then the rug that I put down in my living room and dining room. But this is like a high traffic area because of the back door is right there, and everybody likes to come and prop down on the sofa usually when they're coming from the back door or from outside. And this, I still have yet to change this rug, but I'm definitely going to change it. But it does pick up a lot of dirt. So, but it comes up really easily. So I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum this as well. Guys, here I decided to, in the middle of vacuuming, go ahead and check the pillows under the sofa because my kids and everybody does chill here and things get in between the sofa. So I just wanted to go ahead and stop and go ahead and clean and vacuum and sweep or do whatever I need to do to get under here clean, and then I'll finish up. Alright guys, so we're all finished. It's all clean, all tidy. My camera died, but I did go ahead and like mop all of my floors and everything like that too. But now I need to tidy up my bathroom counter area. It is very dirty. I have some disinfectant wipes here, and I'm just gonna remove everything off of the counter and wipe it down, and then I will move into my closet because I need to tidy up in there as well. So we're gonna go ahead and remove all of this, give it a nice wipe down, and get it looking back clean because right now it has a lot of stains and stuff. My curlers are over there, and I probably won't move them. I probably definitely will unplug them though. They're not on, but they're still plugged up, but I definitely need to wipe everything down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do I never put the stuff any particular way. I just sit it all down and I'll just replace it back. But for right now, we just got it all here, and then want to get the counters wiped down.
Dancing on the sand, waves crash at our feet. Heat on our skin, summer's beat. Surfboards in our hands, we ride the tide. Underneath the palm trees, we feel alive. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable.
Alright guys, so we got it all clean. I love when it's really clean like this because the marble just shines so pretty on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back on there.
Alright guys, so we are all done and everything is nice and clean. I did clean the mirrors as you guys saw as well, so everything now is clean. And this stuff here is like the stuff I use every single night. My hair moisturizer, my lotions, my deodorant for my face and body. So I just leave it all there. I was thinking about getting like a little wall stand here to put that stuff up on. I do have my cabinet here that I can kind of just stick it in when I'm not using it, but for now I think it's good right there. It doesn't bother me too much, so I just leave it there just because it's stuff that I reach for every single night. But it is all tidied up. And now guys, this is my closet area. I have to tidy up in here. As you guys can see, I have my suitcase from our last trip just has been laying here. I hadn't even bothered to move it just because I've just been in and out of it. I have my little cubicle things here. They're still laying out. And then my shoe bin that I took from up there, my hangers. I just need to tidy up in here, guys. I have a gift bag from Father's Day still laying here. So I definitely just need to tidy up in here. I got some belts hanging here. My purse that I'm not wearing right now. I've just been kind of swapping out purses, but I'm just gonna tidy up in here, guys, so that it can look a little bit better. Alright guys, so we're all done. It looks 100% better already. I really didn't have that much stuff to tidy up because it wasn't that bad, but it was just kind of stuff sporadically everywhere. So I got basically what I wanted to do up. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for tuning in for me to get all of my tasks complete. I hope that you guys were able to get your tasks complete, and if not, rewind the video or play it while you guys are getting your tasks done. And be sure to comment below if you enjoyed this video. And also guys, don't forget to check out my vlog channel. I do post over there on the weekends as well, so a video could come Friday, Saturday, or Sunday on my vlog channel. So if you enjoy vlogs, be sure to subscribe over there as well, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.